look at Square stock. So Square has been pretty much very like volatile and choppy lately at the same time as well. And today so far is down 2.8%, trading at $248 level. So market is about to close in 30 minutes. So let's have a look at the levels. So is this stock still a good buy right here, or what I'm looking at? So this is a daily chart, and on a daily chart I want to show you guys one thing, that that blue line right here, where it has been clearly like downtrending, making lower highs, but very recently we did break out of this level. We did break out of this level here, but it wasn't like a clean breakout. All right, it did get above that, came right back to test that, went back, came back down again, went back, and then now it's falling back below that trend line. So from here, also stocks, if I pull up the moving averages on my screen, you will see the yellow line, it represents 50-day simple moving average, and the red line represents 200-day moving average. So stock is falling below this 50-day simple moving average, which it was staying above for this many days. Basically this breakout, trend breakout, coincided with also the stock gaining back above 50-day, and today now it's below it. And it also has earnings coming up. Looks like this week they're about to report earnings. So below that level, I'm watching 245 or this 200-day moving average, this red line right here, as a support. And if you guys are someone like questioning like whether is it a good spot to buy, well, have a look at the whole year's chart and what it has been doing. So pretty much you could have bought it in the beginning of the year for 240 something, and it's still right there. So went up to all the way to 280, came back down to 200. So has been in this 200, 250, 260 range for the whole year pretty much. But if you go back, take a look at the weekly chart, this stock has been pretty much like it was moving much better than this before they announced that they own Bitcoins. Is this, I mean, in my opinion, it has to do with them owning crypto that made the stock much more volatile than it used to be. And if you can, if you disagree with that, definitely drop your comments and drop your opinions. But I think at these levels, at these $248 levels, for me, this stock is not on a big of a discount, because if you measure this name from its all-time highs, which is 290, to here, it's down 14%. All right, and also the solid support level right here is 230. If you think you want to buy at 230, that would be 20% discount. But on a weekly, you can also see right here we have 193 and 194 as a weekly support as well. That would be if it's trading around that level, that would be around 33% discount. So you need to measure these support levels, and in your head you should be like, how much I want to buy at these levels. So let's say you can decide to buy right here right now for 14% discount, let's say 1/5 of your position, and then it comes down to 230, you decide to buy a little bit more. And then if it comes down to $200 levels, then so it's for you to decide. But for me right here right now, those are the support resistance levels for this name. And also on a monthly chart, I can switch to monthly chart. I can show you that it's year to date definitely up, but they have again earnings coming up, and it has to basically, if you are bullish and you think that the stock should be worth around 300 or maybe even more than that, you need to let the stock to break out basically. So I'm personally, I don't own any shares of Square, and it's one of my favorite stocks, but I'm not willing to pay these levels, even though it's 15% off from its highs. So I'm watching this 200-day at the moment. If it slips a little bit more going into earnings as a support, and 2 days from now they're going to report earnings, and then on that date we'll definitely cover this name. But for now, those are the levels I'm watching, and I just want to highlight the option activity. Not a whole lot of volume, pretty much no volume, you can say. 34,000 calls and 21,000 puts. So nothing to say about option market for Square today. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to drop a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel. I will see you in the next update. Take care. Peace.